So I've always liked Uprofit. I've always thought they're a great funding company. I've been funded with them for almost 8 months now, and I've never had any issues with them. All right, let's have a look at Uprofit's website here. 200K plus average monthly withdrawals. Total withdrawals in November almost been $300,000. Almost 1,000 traders funded. So they're definitely a legit funding company. There's no doubt about that. Like, you can't deny that they are very much legit. I really like them. They cross all their T's and dot their I's. Their contract you sign once you get funded is very in depth. It's the way it should be. Like some of the other programs, other companies, the contract's pretty rinky dink. Kind of leaves you wondering. All right, let's go over the programs that the evaluations they offer. You have the basic 9K, which is $89 a month, and this is just a micros. You have a 900 profit target, 5 contracts, 350 daily loss limit, 800 pro drawdown, which is just end of day drawdown, and then 10 minimum trading days. And then right now they have a 40% off sale. If you use the code XMIS40, you get 40% discount. If you use my link, it is in the description. While we're on the subject of discounts, let me show you my website. It's verifiedtraderfundingcompanies.com. We had an issue where if you click on the verified trader funding discounts, it would say like 404 would come up like an error, but that's now fixed. So anytime you guys wonder what the latest deals are, you can always come to my website here. I'll leave a link in the description. I have a couple blogs here I've wrote, and I'll be doing more reviews as I go. And you can come here. It's check out the page. I up this at daily whenever there's a new discount. All right, let's look at the new Freedom program. It's a 150K account, and this is what Uprofit's saying. They're saying that it's the only futures program on the market without a drawdown in order to give you the best conditions of a new era with a 1-to-1 ratio where the profit target and the max loss are equal $5,000, which that is true. It is the first account of its kind where it's a ratio of 1-to-1. It's actually a pretty big deal considering the fact that these companies are not your friend. They're out to make money, so you need to treat it as such and realize that. Sorry, let's look over this new Freedom 150K program, limited edition. So they just released this. This is the first futures program that I know of that's doing anything like this. So it's a 150K account without drawdown. Yes, you heard that right. No drawdown. So that's pretty cool. There's a monthly subscription fee of $350 per month. It's $175 to reset. Your monthly subscription will renew every 30 days from the date of your first payment until you reach your profit goal and switch to live account. So I think that's pretty cool. So what are the rules? No drawdown. Target and minimum operating days. You can reach your account goal after 10 trading days. That's pretty standard with every other company. Daily loss limit. So that's pretty normal for all Uprofit accounts to have a daily loss limit. Let's see how much it is. $2,500. So you have a $5,000 profit target, a maximum loss of $5,000, and you can trade up to 8 E-minis or 60 micros. So 8, that's plenty of contracts in my opinion. I never trade more than 6, and lately I've been going back to 4, and then even 2 if the market's really volatile. So I think the daily loss limit, that's really fair for if you're losing more than $2,500 in a day, you need to think about your risk management a little bit more. And then the profit target is $5,000 with a maximum loss of $5,000. The only other accounts that I know that do it 1-to-1 are like 25K accounts. So this is really cool. I'm pretty excited about this, and I like that there's no trailing drawdown, no end of day drawdown. It's just a daily loss limit and then maximum loss. That's pretty cool. All right, let's go ahead and look at the live account settings here. All right. So with a Freedom 150K account, you can trade it without worrying about drawdown. So after you pass the evaluation, there is they call it an assignment fee, but it's an activation fee. All companies have them. Apex has it. Lilo has it. Blue Ox has it. Except for some companies, they call it a subscription fee, but as soon as you pass, you're gonna have to pay that $85 is like Apex and Lilu do, except it never ends. So it's one thing I like about Uprofit and Tick Tick Trader and Blue Nux. So you got the $150 assignment fee. The 150K account has no drawdown. Your live account must always keep the minimum balance at $145,000. So you can withdraw your earned profits at this minimum account balance. Cannot be below $145,000. And we'll just scroll down here and look at the pro drawdown. We'll only take your profits into consideration at the end of the trading day, and it's updated when your account balance reaches a new high at the end of the trading day. So this just tracks you through your profit target. It doesn't trail you during the day. Just when you're done trading at the end of the day, it trails you, which is beneficial to some people. There are scaling contracts. In order to increase your profitability while actively keeping your risk under control, they gradually scale you up. And we'll go look at that real quick. All right, so here we have the section on the scaling contracts. The 25K account, you can only trade 2 contracts for $1,500 profit, and then 3. The 50K account is $1,500 to 2, just like the 25K account. And then 1,500 to 4,000, you get 4 contracts. After 4,000, you get 6. I'm not going to read all this to you guys. If you guys go to the help section, Uprofit, you can check it out yourselves. The daily loss limit, it's at the end of the day. The pro drawdown, this only counts your profits into consideration at the end of trading day and is updated when your account balance reaches a new high at the end of the trading day. So it's a lot better than a trailing drawdown. But once you learn how to work the trailing drawdown and realize that you just need to sell into profits or sell into strength, you're going to be a lot better off. Sorry, what do you need to do to be able to get a funded account with Uprofit? All right, let's look at the 50K account here. Let's see what you guys need to do to be able to pass and get a live account with Uprofit. What are the rules? Target and minimum trading days. You can reach your account target after 10 trading days. So you have to trade a minimum of 10 days. If you pass on day 2, which has happened to me before, you just put a mini contract on, and take it right off. Within like 30 seconds, they allow that. Pro drawdown is end of day drawdown. It will trail your highest point at the end of each day. The daily loss limit, so you can't break the daily loss limit for the 50K account. It is $1,100. So minimum trading day is 10. Account balance 50,000. Profit target, you need to reach $2,500 in profit within 30 days. Maximum contract, the number of contracts across all open trades is 6. So the scaling only applies to the live account. During the evaluation, you can trade up to 6. And then you have to close all your positions by 3:10 p.m. Central Time. You have to close them. What I do is I go into Rhythmic, and you can set it up to have all your positions closed. I have it set to like 2:55 just to close all my positions in order, so I don't have to worry about this. All right, so that's what you guys need to be able to pass it. I highly recommend Uprofit. They've treated me very well. Anytime I've had any issues, they've resolved it really quickly. And they allow NinjaTrader in Rhythmic. So any platforms that use Rhythmic Trader to connect to as your data feed, you can trade with them. And there is a mobile app that I've been using that's a Rhythmic Trader Pro you can get out of the Play Store, and it's really great for mobile trading. Payouts, that's the most important part. That's what everyone wants to know. So let's go over these real quick. Payouts processing time is less than 24 hours. So you can request payouts at any time. It's not like other funding companies where it has to be a certain day of the month or it's only twice a month. It's anytime. Uprofit payout methods include bank transfers, international bank transfers, PayPal, and cryptocurrencies. I personally use PayPal because I find it the easiest, but a lot of people use Deal. How do withdrawals work with the Uprofit Live account? Funds withdrawal comprise of 2 stages. So first you submit a request to the admin through an email, and you submit and confirm the information, and money will be deducted from your account within in payment within 24 hours. Withdrawals process in 24 hours. So they say 24 hours here. In my personal experience, it's more like 24 hours for them to respond to the email, and then another 12 hours. So you're looking at like 36 to 48 hours until you actually get that. So let's go to the next page. How does profit sharing work within the account? Traders can request withdrawals from day one trading the Uprofit line. Withdrawals will not affect the account drawdown. When choosing a withdrawal, the account will remain at the current value of the account prior to requesting withdrawal. This is confusing me because in my personal experience, this isn't true. So my experience, because Uprofit's the first funding company that I got to pay out with because they do it from day one, and I did it below their safety net and below their the second safety net, which is 41 days. So I did it on like day two. I made $1,000, and then I withdrawed $600. They kept 50%, but it did affect my account and put me really close to my drawdown. So what is a safety net? Is an amount you need to keep in your account to not get docked for the 50%. You can withdraw profits from day one of a trading Uprofit Live account. Withdrawals of profits within the safety net requested from day one to 40 or 50% for the trader. For example, if you would like to withdraw 1,000 prior to day 41, you will receive 500 and they will receive 500. Withdrawals of profits within the safety net requested from day 41 onwards, you'll keep 80%. And then what is the distribution of profits that exceed the safety net? Withdrawals of profit above the safety net can be requested from day one. 100% of the first 8,000 in profits are for the trader. After withdrawing the first 8,000, then after the first 8,000, you keep 80. So what happens is if you happen to get over the threshold, we'll just call it a threshold, which for the 50K account, it's 2,500, and then so on and so on. So let's say on day 5, you have $5,000 in profits, you can withdraw it and keep 100%. But keep in mind, so let's say on day 1, like I did, you made $600 and you want to withdraw. So you would keep 300, they would keep 300, right? But you lose this $8,000 in profits that are bonus. So you keep the first 8,000 profits if you're over the 2,500 or over 41 trading days. Another thing to keep in mind is that if you do fail your live account, they do have resets. Depending on your account size, I failed this second account I had with them. I failed it live for having too many contracts on, and they offered me to reset it for $400. So I think this is what's really special about Uprofit is the fact that they do this, that they allow withdrawals from day one. Alright, so I hope this video helps you guys and breaks it down what you need to do to get funded with Uprofit. Also comment below any questions or any other prop firms you would like me to do reviews on.